Are you maximizing the revenue of your existing book of business? Do you really want the goods on how to achieve organic growth inside your agency? Then keep watching this video because we're going to discuss how to improve client interactions and how that has a huge impact on your business revenue. If we're meeting for the first time, I'm Mick Hunt, CEO of Premier Strategy Box and lover of all things RevOps, Sales Ops, Producer Development, and of course, my North Carolina Tar Heels. And if you want to learn more about any of those topics, make sure that you hit the like and the subscribe, and for instant notifications, hit that bell as well. Let's get into today's topic and discuss our client interaction process within RevOps. I need you all to hear me and hear me very clear. How you handle client interactions can mean the difference between no growth in your business or year-over-year double-digit organic growth. If you do client interactions the right way, you will finally achieve the organic growth that you've been looking for. So what are those things that you should do on every client interaction? Well, I'm glad you asked. The first thing that you need to do every single time that you interact with an existing client is look over their current product portfolio for any upsell or cross-sell opportunities. If your client does not have at least 4 product lines with you and the top line coverages, then there's room for upsell and cross-sell opportunities. You should have a running list of clients and the products that they don't have with you and utilize your CRM to communicate with them on a regular basis. You should also have an outreach campaign and have your best salespeople calling on them as well. The second thing that you need to do with every single client interaction is ask for a referral. Every time you close a new sale, renew a policy, or deliver amazing service, the very next thing that you should do is ask for a referral. By now, you know the importance of having an ideal client, and ideal clients refer other ideal clients. So if your ideal client has 4 product lines, they'll refer people who also have or need 4 product lines. The last thing that you want to do on every client interaction is ask for a Google or social review. If your clients are happy with the service you provide or the problems that you solve, you want and need them to provide reviews for you. In this digital age, consumers are always looking to validate who you are, and the best validation is by reviews from your existing clients. So there you have it, 3 quick tips that you can utilize to spark organic growth within your business. As always, the key is consistency and accountability. In the comment section below, let me know which 3 of these tips you're going to implement first in your agency. If you found value in this video, please share it with a friend or colleague, and don't forget to hit that bell for instant notifications, like our next video in the RevOps series, Winbacks. I'll see you there shortly.